Hello, I'm Martin Jelarik, Chief Design Officer of Tata Motors, and I'm riding in the back of our new 2025 Tata Sierra. It would be interesting to stop and see the reaction of people to this car. Hi, I saw you looking at the car.
It's a really cool car. Yeah, I haven't seen it before.
This is so elegant. The comfort is too good.
We're relaxing here like we're in a limo.
Look at this.
I know.
This. The first SUV that came to India is now back.
Yes.
And I'm very, very excited.
Hi.
This looks really cool.
Hi, I'm Martin.
Hi, I'm Saket.
I'm the designer of the car.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just trying to get some feedback.
Yeah, fair enough, because the car looks so good.
Do you have any relationship with the original Sierra? Like anybody in your family?
I do, because I think I was like around maybe 2 years old when the OG Sierra was launched.
Okay.
And my uncle had one, and we used to go on road trips in his Sierra, and that's the part of one of the core memories of my childhood.
Oh, wow.
I've been a big fan of Sierra. So amazing to see how it has evolved, how Tata has evolved from that time.
I was a kid, so I remember the old Sierra, the old OG Sierra, and now the new one. And for the younger generation, it's too good.
As soon as I saw the original Sierra, I said, this car is really quite cool. But as a designer, I thought it was really simple and easy to understand. And then we thought, oh, we should try bringing it back, but making it modern.
It's pretty good. The designing is too good, and the huge sunroof is there.
I think this design definitely stands out, especially a little boxier design.
Yes. I call it very classic.
It's classic. Yes.
Actually, it was designed by our design team in India. So these guys really understood what the DNA of what Sierra represents and what it means. It's a very easy to understand recipe. Like, a classic boxy SUV gives you a lot of space.
One glass house does the trick.
We wanted to make everything as tall as possible, really feel open and airy and light.
Right.
So we picked the materials so it would just feel bigger. Not, like you said, claustrophobic. It should look like your living room.
This car is too good. I'm loving it.
No, we wanted to make it feel more than what you pay for.
Because I'm 28, I'm thinking to buy my first car from my own money.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to get this car.